Hey, thanks for checking out this video. Inside, we're going to be creating our first product page together. What you're going to see is that there are 4 essential pieces to creating a good product page. That's your title, where you're going to hook them in with a great start, something enticing them to read a little bit more. You're going to reframe the problem that you described inside of your advertisements. You're going to tell them that the problem isn't their fault. Get on their side, and then you're going to close them out. So you're going to give them a nice strong close and give them no reason not to buy from you. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoy the video. Hey, welcome back to this video in the Shopify training series, where we'll be going over how to write a product description that actually sells your product. In the last video, we made the decision to start selling the posture corrector. This is the description that the distributor gave us. In no world is that ever going to be enough to convince someone to buy from you at the price we're going to ask for. That means it's time to erase this crap and start looking for inspiration from other people. So we need to find people who sell this product. On your product image section, when you hover over one of the images, you can see 3 little dots. Click that and click Preview Image. This will load a full-size image that you can right-click and click Search Google for Image. I'm just going to open up the Amazon one. Not found. Awesome. Let's go back to Google and go to Shopping and pull up a couple of these for examples. We click More. This is a little more information on the product. Are you suffering from back pain right now? If you are, you sure aren't alone. 85% of the US population suffers some back pain. I'm going to just copy and paste this to our Shopify product description for now. I really like this description. This one doesn't have more detailed information, so we're just going to open the site and see if it has anything else on the site. Nope. All right, not good enough for me. Close that sucker up. We'll go to Wish. Nope. All right, Wish is never a good place to go for a product description. It's just AliExpress 2.0. Do you tired of slouching? Okay, we're going to take this and put it into our page. All right, Gearzilla, let's check this out. Oh, they're telling you why you need it. Okay, that's not going to be any good. Quick note, not a huge fan of that. In my writing style, I don't tell you what to feel or do. I make you feel or do. You come to that conclusion on your own through persuasive product copy. When someone tells me, this is what you need to do, this is why you need this, I don't like that. This is more technical writing, and it will be important for us. We're just going to go ahead and put it in Shopify for now, and we'll come back to it later. We want to go back to that page and see if there's a better description down below. Yeah, this gives us a little better description. Ooh, I want this. I want all of this. Copy and paste. Beautiful. Do not be fooled by cheap imitations. All right, we'll go with that. If you can't tell, this is going to be a bit unwieldy. Just copy and pasting stuff from product descriptions into our Shopify store isn't the end. I'm going to explain why I do this as we go through it, don't worry. We're done looking for product descriptions for now, and we have a lot of really good information about this product. Even if you've never used a posture corrector before, you should feel really comfortable writing a compelling product description. These descriptions that we have found give us all the information we need to be successful. Before we get to making this look good, we want to go back over to the Google Keyword Planner and start to look for some long-tail keywords. We should try and incorporate these into our product description to increase our chances of ranking organically. Just type in posture corrector at the top here, and this should give us some results we can work with. You'll want to include some of these keywords inside of your product description. I would suggest going after keywords that are about 100 to 1,000 views per month. Those are going to be less fought for in most cases, so they should be a little bit easier to rank organically when people search. Now it's time to open up our Word document and start making our description. We're going to copy our whole description from Shopify onto our Word document, and we want to model out what feels like a natural conversation. If you have a natural conversation about your product, people are going to be more likely to purchase from you. Are you suffering from back pain right now? That's a great opening. We don't want to do anything with that. We're going to keep it there, center that sucker, and probably make it bold. "85% of the US population suffers from back pain at some point in their lives." Putting numbers and statistics inside of your product description is actually a great way to build trust and credibility. Even if the statistics aren't real, people are more likely to believe a statistic without looking it up compared to just a sentence. I just gave you a superpower there. Do not abuse it. Neck pain affects 45% of today's workers. The number one cause of neck and back pain is poor posture. Slouching in office chairs, reading papers on desks, looking down at smartphones, repetitive movements, heavy lifting, even relaxing on an overstuffed sofa. All of these contribute to a bad posture in your back and neck. Perfect sentence. We have a solution for them, and we made them feel like they're not alone. We gave them a whole list of things that are basically out of their control that we have a solution for. We are going to get rid of this pain. This is a great start. All right, we also started with a rhetorical question. Are you suffering from back pain right now? If they weren't, they wouldn't have clicked on your ad and they wouldn't be on your page. What we did here is we gained agreement that they need to continue reading so that we can help solve their problem. Secondly, we told them they're not alone in suffering. 85% of people suffer back pain and 45% of people suffer neck pain at some point in their lives. The important part is that they aren't alone. We let them know the suffering is not their fault. Do not blame your prospect. As a matter of fact, shift the blame onto a common enemy. In this case, we can use the office environment. We all have some kind of distaste for the office. The second you blame the prospect, they shut off and are not receptive to what you have to say. Fourth point, present the solution. Our posture corrector. We explain that everything that they are being forced to do on a daily basis is causing them so much pain. Do not leave it there. This is when you have to ask for the sale, and we come in and save the day with this miracle cure. In just minutes a day, you can be back on the path to having a strong, healthy, pain-free back and neck. All right, you know what? This doesn't flow. I would typically say neck and back in conversation, even though alphabetically it should be back and neck. So I'm probably going to switch it up to neck and back. The reason I'm doing this, we want to make the sound as natural as possible. They don't want to be sold, so don't make them feel like they're being sold to. Start wearing your brace for 20 to 30 minutes a day, building up your strength. Each additional week, add 20 more minutes. Follow this regimen and you will break free from your pain as your back grows strong enough to support itself with correct posture. Okay, so we're taking somebody's already great description and making it better. Proper posture tips. I think we're going to move on since we aren't really just posture or a posture store or a doctor. Let's leave this to the professionals to talk about. The only reason you keep this in here is you identified this as a great long-tail SEO opportunity to drive organic traffic. All right, I just want to set an expectation. It isn't often that I find a product and description that works so well on my first try. In most cases, we're looking for a while before we find something valuable. This video is already getting very long, so I'm going to end it here. I'm going to add 2 more things to the product page off the video, and that's a guarantee and some kind of call to action. A great example for a guarantee would be, we offer an ironclad money-back guarantee. If you aren't completely satisfied with your product, simply ship it back and we'll give you your money back, no questions asked. And a great call to action: stop feeling constant pain. Order your posture corrector today and be on your way to the pain-free life you deserve. That's all for this video. If it helped you in any way, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more daily content on Shopify, dropshipping, advertising, and marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.